One of the first things you'll see when loading Subscribe is the Settings menu on the right hand side of the screen. This is loaded by default and enables you to control the main setup of your Subscribe. At any point during the build process, we can return to it via clicking on the Settings cog here. One of the first options we'll see is the mailing list that your Subscribe is set to. When a new subscriber completes your form, they will be automatically added to a mailing list of your choice inside your email blaster. At the moment, we can see new subscribers are going to be added to our mailing list called Football. We can click on Update List and we can set it to a new mailing list. Let's select a new mailing list. Perhaps when a new subscriber joins, we will add them to our mailing list called Tennis. We can now see this has changed on the right hand settings menu. One of the next options inside Subscribe is the ability to give you an email alert every time a new subscriber joins your mailing list. By default, this is disabled, but we can enable it by clicking on the toggle button here. When enabled, we can now see an additional field has appeared. This enables us to specify the email address that our email alert is sent to. We can click on it to key in a new email address. The next setting is the layout of your form. By default, this is set to vertical. When in vertical mode, new form elements will be added vertically above or below an existing form element. For example, if we add a new input field, we can add it above or below a current input field. The second mode, when we click on this, is horizontal. We can see now we're in horizontal that all our form elements are displayed on the same horizontal line. You can toggle between these two modes to find the ideal design. The next position is set to middle. This is the alignment of your form on the page. When in middle, the form will be shown on the middle of your web page with an equal space top and bottom. We can toggle this between top. When set in top, we can see the form has now jumped to the top of the screen. Let's put it back to middle. The final setting is the overall form width. By default, this is set to 300. This means that your form will be 300 pixels wide. You can click the plus and the minus buttons to make your form wider or smaller as desired.